the Polystars game.
Only not. So
True.
we're going to show you an equivalent game that we're going to do with playing cards because they're very easy to handle. And so we're going to play the Polystars game, which is basically a Graeco-Latin square. Now, in the Polystars game, you have polygons, different sorts of polygons, and they're matched by stars. And we've got 3, 4, 5, and 6-sided polygons for the 4x4 game. And
3, 4, 5, and 6 points of the stars.
exactly. And the challenge is to put them in pairs, first of all, so that each pair is different from every other pair. That's the first challenge. And the second is to put those pairs of shapes, one polygon, one star in each of these squares on the grid. And I put a few in to start you off. And if you look along here, no two of those pairs are the same. We've got no two have got the same colours, and similarly down here, that all the pairs are different, and you haven't got a repeat of any star, and you haven't got a repeat of any of the polygons.
Now this is just for vertical and horizontal lines. It doesn't work for diagonals on this game, does it?
I think it does for 4.
Oh, it does with 4.
Yes, it doesn't for 3. That's
some
what
it
you
does
remember.
and some it doesn't.
And you can do it with 3x3, 4x4, 5x5. And it becomes more of a challenge. You could start it this way, to do the same puzzle with playing cards. So what I've done here is I've sorted out 16 honor cards, and you see they've each got 2 properties. Here we've got the Jack of Hearts, but here is another Jack, which isn't the same. This is the Jack of Spades. The suits are different. They're both Jacks, but the suits are different. And of course, you're probably used to playing cards. There's another Jack. There's another Jack. Okay? And what we're going to do, they're already in pairs. As we explained, you pair up a polygon with a star, but in these cards, the pairs are already paired up. They're paired up with a suit, either hearts, spades, clubs, or diamonds, a suit with ace, king, queen, jack. So what we've got to do is to arrange these 16 cards in a 4x4 grid so that there's no 2 the same. No 2 the same. Either no 2 aces, no 2 kings, no 2 queens, or no 2 hearts or spades.
So we could work collaboratively, or we could take it in turns to place a card.
Yes, it's a puzzle more than a game. We can turn it into a competitive game, but I think what we'll try and do is make it collaborate.
So how are we playing it? We're playing it as a team.
We're going to do it collaboratively.
Okay.
I think we're going to
No, because we've got 2 hearts.
Well,
I think we've demonstrated that it's not as easy as it looks.
Right. Okay. So, surprisingly, maybe, there are actually 144 different solutions.
And we can't even find one. There are 144 solutions,
Well,
and we haven't found one.
We haven't been working at it for very long, Caroline.
Right.
And
that was hard. Right, let's have another go. We can do this, Tony.
We can do it. We're going to start with the ace of clubs. And we're going to start with an ace, king, queen, jack.
Okay, ace, king.
The king of... We're going to start with the king. Put the king of spades there.
Yeah, let's do the 2 black ones together.
And then this queen, right?
So it's got to be the Jack of Hearts.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I can go now.
No, no, no. We've got a little bit more to do.
No.
That's right. There's
3 more rows.
Right, now, so let's now bring that jack to this end, and we're going to, I mean, not bring it, but actually we're going to put a red jack there. Okay. And then a queen. And we can't have the queen of spades.
We're going to keep them together, keep the colours together like we did on the top row.
Oh, not the queen of hearts.
Queen of hearts. And so now we need the...
And now let's have a king.
Of...
Which we can...
we can go the king of... Where's the king of clubs?
We can't have the king of hearts or the king
Where's
of
the king
diamonds.
of clubs? Oh, it's hiding. We didn't want to shine.
Yes, so we can't have the king of diamonds, we can't have the king of hearts, so we're forced to have that. Now the next one will be the
ace of spades.
Right.
That's where the ace of spades was.
Right.
On previous attempts.
Now I think we're going to put a queen here now.
Okay. Just wondering. So we've reversed the direction.
No, let's put a king here.
We didn't do that last time.
Let's put... What should we put?
Well, it's got to be the king of hearts because... Oh no, it could be the king of...
Well, okay.
It's got to be the king of hearts because it can't be the king of diamonds.
Right, so let's put the king of hearts. Now then, that will determine what comes here because we're going to complete the line.
Right, so let's just do that while we're at it and then we'll know.
What will it needs to be?
It's a queen of spades.
Yes, because it's not going to be the same suit as any of those.
Right, now this one.
Okay.
So it's going to be a jack or an ace.
Let's put an ace there.
Ace of, it's either diamonds or can't be hearts, it's got to be diamonds.
Right, now let's put a jack next.
And that can't it's got to be spades. It's got to be the jack of spades because there's clubs there.
Finally,
and now the queen of clubs.
Okay, now.
And then the last row should just be whatever card is missing and see if we've got it right.
Now, on every row we've got an ace, a king, a queen and a jack.
Yeah.
On every column the same applies.
Yeah.
And we've got a different suit, 4 different suits on each.
I think we've got it right. I think we've sussed it.
We haven't.
And that's the first solution of 144.
Exactly.
We've got our work cut out, Tony.
So one of the challenges here is to see if you can find a different solution, and how many are there.
And there must be a pattern. There must be a system that you can use to help you, because we started off really randomly. But I still haven't got a system. Although that's the reverse of that, and then the swap around, and that is the reverse of that. It's just in terms of the type of card, not the suit. So there might be something there.
So this is exactly equivalent or isomorphic to the Polystars game.